Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment and taking immediate action. Close the Bedrock Launcher and back up your %appdata%/bedrock folder so you can restore files if needed. Next, update Windows and GPU drivers because outdated drivers often break the renderer. Make sure you have at least 5% free disk space. Once done, run the launcher as administrator to capture any permission errors, and note the exact error codes or messages for targeted fixes. You now perform focused diagnostics and corrective steps to resolve deeper issues. Start by repairing or reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, since missing runtimes often prevent Bedrock from starting. Then verify game files or uninstall and reinstall the launcher from the Microsoft Store to replace corrupted binaries. Once done, reset your network adapter, flush the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushtins, and ensure firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the launcher. These network blocks can finish by confirming the problem is resolved and preparing fallback steps. Create a fresh Windows user profile to isolate corrupt user settings, then run sfc/scano to repair system files that might affect the launcher. Once done, gather launcher logs from %localappdata% and screenshot error codes. These make diagnostics faster. If the issue persists, contact support with the logs and exact errors, and as a key troubleshooting tip, try running the launcher on another machine to determine if it's local or account-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.